Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to build the crankshaft in SolidWorks for the Wighton gas engine. The material is drill rod, so I'm using plain carbon steel as my model material. The first thing I want to do is sketch a circle on the right plane. It's going to be 0.55 inches in diameter, and I am going to extrude that to 0.125 inches thick. Then I'm going to rotate my model slightly and I'm going to sketch another circle. This one's going to be a little bit smaller. It's going to be 0.19 inches from the center. Make sure it's on center using a vertical relation. And the diameter of this is going to be 0.124 inches. And it's going to extrude through, and we're going to go reverse, and we're going to go to a full length of 0.403. So that takes care of that. And now we do the back end here. I'm going to sketch a circle. This diameter is 0.1875 inches. And when I extrude this, I want to use the offset from surface option. I want to offset from this surface to a distance of 1.78. Make sure you hit reverse direction when you do that. So now from this surface to the back of here will be 1.78, which is the exact length of the part. So it's a really slick way to get parts done. And we're going to add a small lead-in chamfer. It's not dimensioned on the print, which means it's not super important. We definitely want it to be a lead-in chamfer. So let's try 0.01 by 15 degrees and see what that looks like. I want to hit flip direction. I want a lead-in chamfer. I want a small chamfer that's going to aid in this inserting into another component. And that's it. It's a very simple part to model. Refresh the screen, file save, and move on to the next component.